Khandavprasth was a barren land that was given to the Pandavas during the partition of the kingdom between them and the Kauravas. After the Lakshagra incident where the Kauravas tried to burn the Pandavas and their mother alive, Pandavas then married Draupadi and they revealed themselves. On seeing the increase in the conflict between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, Dhritarashtra, the then king of Hastinapur, was asked to do the partition, and Pandavas received Khandavprasth as a result of this partition. In spite of knowing that a snake land used to live in Khandavprasth and any human who entered that region would never come back alive, Pandavas agreed to the king's decision and they left for Khandavprasth. So in order to establish a city there, the Pandavas had to defeat the snake army, their king Takshak, and they also had to destroy a Mayavi forest which was established by Takshak with the help of Mayasur. Arjun defeats all the snakes. All of them runs into the Mayavi forest for shelter. Arjun now invokes Agni Dev and puts the entire forest on fire. Takshak now calls Devraj Indra for help and reminds him of the promise that he had given to them. Devraj Indra promised that he would always protect Takshak and his entire army. And therefore Devraj Indra had to now fight against his own son Arjun. A devastating war broke out between them, and at the end Devraj Indra invoked his Vajra and sent it towards Arjun. Arjun invoked his divine weapon and sent it towards his father. Now as these two weapons were coming close to each other, Lord Krishna at the right time sends his Sudarshan Chakra and calms both the weapons. Because if these two weapons collided, Arjun's weapon would definitely be defeated, but along with that, it would cause a lot of destruction to the entire universe. Lord Krishna pacifies Devraj Indra and tells him that Arjun had only come to ask his help. Devraj tells who asked for help by resorting to arms. Arjun replies that he did not resort to arms. Instead, he was showing his capability in order to make his father super proud. But Devraj Indra didn't agree to this. Instead, he said, but whatever, you send those arrows towards my direction and I can never agree to that. And Arjun says, Pitashri, you're present everywhere. You're there in all the directions. Now you tell me, towards which direction should I send my arrows? Devraj Indra was very pleased to hear this and he agrees to help Arjun and the Pandavas. Arjun requests him to help the Pandavas establish a new flourishing city. Devraj Indra orders Vishwakarma to build a grand city for the Pandavas, and therefore Khandavprasth became Indraprasth, the city of Indra. Now this incident teaches us a lesson. It teaches us how wisdom and divine power can transform a misfortune into success. It teaches us how to transform a barren land into a flourishing city. It teaches us how to transform a Khandavprasth into Indraprasth. Jai Shri Krishna.